Good morning. Back at school, and this is how our mornings go. We're getting our school lunch boxes ready, and the kids are going to help me this morning, aren't you guys? Yeah. So first of all, we're going to choose the fruit that we want in the fruit snack box and in the lunch boxes. Who wants nectarine?
Not me.
No, you want a nectarine in your fruit snack pot or in your lunch box?
Fruit snack.
Okay, can you put that in your fruit snack pot? Lily, what would you like?
I want pear. I want pear.
You want pear? Cut up?
Yes, cut up.
And then Lily, what would you like in your fruit snack pot, darling? Dragon fruit, pineapple, grapes, lychees, cherries, mango. What do you think?
Put it in my lunchbox instead. Cherries.
Cherries, okay. Do you want to do that? Pop some of those in your fruit snack.
Oh, I want to get cherries too.
You grab some out too, buddy.
Tofu. I want these tofu.
Tofu?
Tofu?
Yeah. Do you want to share that out into the 3 lunch boxes in the small spot, Ayla?
I want to share. Ayla, don't just grab handfuls, put one in at a time. Now.
So guys, what's it like being vegan?
Hey, you took that one. Who took that one? There's tofu that's supposed to go in there. Doesn't matter. The tofu can go in there.
Lilu,
Now.
do you know why we're vegan, honey? Why do you think we eat vegan food?
Because to make us healthier and live longer.
To make us healthier and live longer, absolutely.
Maybe I want an apple, but can you cut out that bit?
Sure. Do you want me to cut it up for you? So I can cut that bit out?
Yeah.
Any other reasons why we eat a vegan diet, Romy? Lilu said so we can be healthier and live longer. What do you think?
I don't know anything.
You don't know anything. Ayla, what about you, darling? Why do you think we eat vegan food?
Stop.
Is vegan food yummy?
Stop. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your favourite food, Rome?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Lily, what's your favourite food?
Cucumber.
Wait, no,
mine's chocolate.
Chocolate. Vegan chocolate's pretty good, isn't it, darling? Ayla, what's your favourite food?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
And next of all, ice cream that's vegan.
Vegan ice cream.
That's my second thing.
Yeah, it's your second thing.
Finish tofu.
And Lily, what's your favourite fruit?
1, 2, 3, 4. One. I think is pineapple. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pineapple?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What about jackfruit?
6. Yeah, Jackie.
You get pretty excited when we have jackfruit, don't you? Romy?
Wait a minute.
Is this yours?
Yes.
Okay, so we can't have those in that one. We've got to have it in the small one to leave room for your cupcake.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that one. Mum, I had 6, Leela had 5, and Ayla had 4, so I just gave Ayla 1, and then we had all, and then we all had 5. Really? Yeah, but he gave one of me, one of his. I mean.
So do you guys have any vegan friends?
Yeah.
Is it nice having vegan friends?
Yeah. I don't have vegan friends.
You don't have vegan friends?
I only have one friend, which is Miki.
Mika, yeah. What about Frankie? She's vegan. We've got one vegan friend. And what about Toma and Talika?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Jasmine and Ava?
Yeah.
And Willow and Buddy?
No.
And Sienna and Malaya? They're all vegan kids. Do they all look healthy?
Yeah.
They do, and they've got lots of energy, don't they?
I've got the most energy of them all.
You've got the most energy. Why do you think you've got so much energy?
Because I'm crazy.
Because you're crazy. How does your body make energy?
Sleep.
Sleep, that's right.
But I don't sleep, even though I get lots and lots of energy still.
Amazing, isn't it? So, what do you think, guys?
Vegan food is so yummy that I have to get up in the middle of the night and eat.
Really?
Eating No animals.
No animals or just happy animals?
Happy animals.
Happy animals, hey. Ayla, do you think the animals would be happy if the world was vegan? Yeah. What's your favourite animal?
Horse.
Horse. What's your favourite animal, Elu?
Pig.
And Romy, what's yours?
And baby bush turkey.
The skunk.
And baby bush turkey. Baby bush turkey.
So that's how our mornings go.